In today's video, we're going to be unboxing EVBase's Cybertruck illuminated door sill protectors. Let's get started. So it's very basic. Here's the packaging for it. Inside the box, it looks like you have instructions and tools. And then you actually have the plates themselves. You get two top plates, or two bottom plates that go on the back door. And then you get two longer plates that go on the front door here. So this is basically what you get inside the box. It comes with this little, almost looks like a SIM ejector tool that allows you to go into a little hole here and change the colors of the LEDs. We're going to be installing these next. All right, so the next thing I wanted to show you guys is how these function before we install them. So it does come with a little power cable that you plug into USB. And there's the end right there. So that's USB type A, like your old Android phones before USB-C became a thing. So you're gonna plug into that, and you're gonna plug this in, this will charge back the unit itself. You turn the unit on for the first time. You're actually gonna take your little tool here and just click in this little button. Goes through. There it goes. And then it also has like the little ambient lighting sensor here that when you close the door, it'll recognize that there's no light and that'll turn it on like at night. You can also change the colors by just clicking in the button here. It'll change the various colors if you decide that you maybe want to match the ambient light strip inside the Cybertruck. So you can click through and eventually you'll get back to your multicolored one, which is pretty cool. Tons of colors to choose from. All right, let's go get these installed. All right, so we got all the Cybertruck illuminated plates installed by EVBase. This is the back. When you close it, it turns it off. When we reopen it back up, it turns back on again. Same thing right here with the front. Let's go to the other side. And back driver's side. And back driver's side front. So the only thing else that I'm going to be working on next is these are magnetized and they do move relatively easy. So they magnetize to the door jamb, which is underneath here. But if you don't feel comfortable, you know, with it driving fast down the highway or whatever, they might be able to slide off based on, you know, what kind of like wind gets in this area. They do provide some sticky double-sided tape that you can put on these. We're gonna do that next, but right now, as it stands on the back side of these, it's just a magnet. And they just magnetize right to here. Again, the magnet is not super duper strong, so it moves very, very easily. So we're gonna actually put the tape on next, double-sided tape, and see what happens. All right, so they provide you with double-sided dots or tape here. And you can see I'm actually ripping off one of them right here. I have one in the middle and one on each side. We're gonna go ahead and stick it down here and see how it sticks. Now, before you actually stick them to your sill, they do provide you with these little rubber stops that are gonna go in the charging port. So I'd recommend you charge these up to full, all 4 of them, and then, you know, put your rubber stop in there and then stick them down to your sill. So let's go ahead and stick them down and see how they look and see how secure they are. All right, so here it is with the double-sided tape on there. It actually is in really good position, very, very secure now. It's not gonna move out of the way. The ambient light sensor works really well when you close it. They look really good. All right, on the back one, we put 2 stickies on each end of the sill plates, and it looks really good as well. Let's go ahead and close it. Reopen. Looks really good, and it's very, very secure now. It's not going anywhere. And if you have to pull them off to charge them, obviously you're gonna lose your stickies, depending, but they provide you with a bunch of stickies going forward. And it's just kind of a neat little aesthetic, especially at night. All right. All right, here are the illuminated sill plates from EVBase installed. And you can turn them any color you want to complement the interior lighting of the Cybertruck. Use our code, the Tesla channel, to get 20% off these illuminated light plates for the Cybertruck on EVBase.com.